Hello everybody, it is time again for Mailbag Monday. At least we think it is, and we'll explain that in a second. I'm Glenn.
And I'm Xander.
And together we are Fun King 3D.
You've got mail! You've got mail!
Alright, the reason that we say that we think it's time for Mailbag Monday is this package came from Woot, which I didn't order anything from Woot, but it did come to the house, which means that likely it was sent to us by somebody we know, or something really crazy has happened. So, what are you picking at it for? We're just going to cut into it.
Open it.
It has been killing Xander that this has been sitting here for a couple of days now, and I wouldn't let him open it. I don't want you to peek. Alright, go ahead, take it out of there. Oh, I hope it's something good.
3D lamp. I don't know what that is.
3D lamp.
Instruction manual. Amazon. What? Wait, what?
I'm very confused.
What?
There's no paperwork in the bag. There is no explanation as to whom it's from, other than the fact that it came from Woot.
I think I know what it is now.
I think I know what it is now too.
It might be, it's like all wrinkly, but it has like paper on it.
It's got film on it. Yeah. You have to do this. We have to go over to the detail camera for this. Because you get to do this. You get to go.
Can I?
You want to be the guy?
I want to be the guy.
Let me get it started so it comes off in one piece. Okay, there you go. Oh, I get to be the guy too because there's some on the back.
Oh yeah. That looks amazing.
It does look amazing. All right, let's punch back over here for a second. If I could have my lovely assistant plug that in right there to that hub. Any one of those will be fine.
That's really sick looking.
That is awesome.
And then
Maybe put the box behind it. There, that shows on camera better.
Sick looking.
That is awesome. I kind of have a feeling that I know who this might have come from.
Yeah, I think so too.
There's a particular friend of ours out there that loves the Woot and knows our home address. And I'm fairly sure that this has come from Uncle Ron. And when I can confirm that, I will throw more thank yous out just in case it wasn't from Uncle Ron and it was from someone else. But
that is so cool.
Whoever is responsible for this, please let us know so that we can give proper kudos. This is awesome. I seen 3D lamp on the box. And, of course, I think 3D, but it's...
yeah, what if it were something like that was like a hologram looking thing?
Well, and then the fact that I didn't see the acrylic at first, I just seen the base. Then I thought maybe there was something else coming, like this had something to do with a print that somebody was sending. But
no,
this is really
found
cool.
This.
What is that? Oh, it's from the feet on the bottom of this.
Oh,
look, this takes batteries too.
Oh,
you can put batteries in it as well. That is so
that
really,
you don't have to you don't have to have a cord.
You don't have to have a cord.
That is really cool.
It's got
That's going on my desk.
got a light bar down in there. What was addressed to me? Well, it looks green on the camera. Wait, it is green.
Wait, what?
No, it's blue.
Oh. What? That looks much cooler than the red one.
Why did it change? And then I thought it was going to like cycle. Did I bump it? So that's green. It kind of looks white. I don't know how it'll look to you guys. It kind of looks white on our monitor, but...
Oh, wow. That's a cool effect.
Blue. Purple.
Cyan.
It's,
cyan.
yeah.
Another cyan. And then back to red.
That's too cool. That is too cool.
I like the blue
and
one.
I'm a huge Iron Man fan for those of you guys who don't know.
That's going on my desk. I'm sorry.
I'm afraid not. So anyway, thank you so much to whomever sent this. And again, we weren't even sure that this was a mailbag item. I'm sure glad it wasn't like perishable or anything, and I let it sit there for a couple of days before we got to this point.
The styrofoam smells weird.
I bet it does. I'm not smelling. You want to smell the inside of the bag? You love to smell the inside of the bag. So as always, we thank you guys greatly. Anytime that you send stuff, it's much, much appreciated. And this is really, really cool.
It's really cool that it shows up.
It needs to be red, though.
No, blue.
Iron Man's not blue.
But it looks cooler as blue.
Yeah, it looks cooler on camera. So, but anyway, thank you guys so much. Thanks for tuning in and watching. If you like what we're doing, we'd like for you to hit that subscribe button, ring that bell for notification, and a thumbs up is always appreciated as well. And until next time, as always, print on.